'cause I love you just the way that you are. And to prove how much I love you, girl, I go down on my knees. I'm in love with you, baby. I'm in love with you, baby. I'm in love with you, baby. I'm in love with you. Can you see, girl? I don't need no gold or silver chain hanging around my neck. I just want your loving around me, 'cause without it I'm a total wreck. And to prove how much I love you, girl, I go down on my knees. Yeah, I'm in love with you, baby. I'm in love with you, baby. I'm in love with you, baby. I'm in love with you. Can you see it, girl? To prove how much I love you, girl, I go down on my knees. Yeah, I'm in love with you, baby. I'm in love with you, baby. I'm in love with you, baby. I'm in love with you. Can you see it, girl? I'm in love. Girl, I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I know I'm in love. Girl. She's a five-fair woman, 3 or 4, 6 going through the trees. She's a five-fair woman, 5 is what it takes to make her king. Lord, she's a good old girl, the kind that you take home to mom and dad. Lord, she loves her bear. All in all, I guess that ain't so bad. She has 1 or 2. She mellows out without too much to say. If she's 3 or 4, she loosens up and Lord, she wants to play. Oh, she's a fine woman, 3 or 4, 6 going through the tree. She's a fine woman, 5 is what it takes to make her king. Oh, it's a it's just right, and those bedroom eyes on more than I can stand. If she gets 1 more, I know I've got to tie her by the hand. And she's a five-fair woman, 3 or 4, 6 going through the trees. She's a five-fair woman, 5 is what it takes to make her king. And she's a five-fair woman, 3's too few and 6 is way too much. She's a five-fair woman, 5 just seems to be the magic touch. And she's a five-fair woman, 4 she's calm and 6 she's way too rough. She's a five-fair woman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's that. I can make it through the night, things will be brighter at the morning. If I can hold you all night long, I'll have the strength to carry on. If I can gaze into your eyes and hear the words I know will comfort me. If if I can hold on to my mind, I know a brighter sun will shine. If I can hold you till tomorrow, the pain will ease, that's on my mind. Then my ear will hear you softly say, baby, don't worry, we'll be fine. Seems no matter how I try, I can't forget how she once touched me. When I think of her, I cry. So please hold me through the night. My ear will hear you softly say, baby, don't worry, we'll be fine. Then my ear will hear you softly say, baby, don't worry, we'll be fine. Once there was castles with maidens to behold. So goes the story as children we were told. Once there were knights with armor shining bright. Well, they had their maidens to hold them through the night and love them through the night. True was the maiden to her knight, so brave and strong, but he had to leave her and journey all alone to face the dragon, breathing fire and certain doom. When he'd return, she would heal all his wounds and love him through the night. And the night would give his life to keep his maid safe and true. That kind of love you cannot find. Oh, but that's the love I have for you. I'll love you for all time. So do not worry, I'll keep you safe from harm. Well, I'll slay the dragon and I'll hold you in my arms. The vows I make will stand the test of time. When the kingdoms crumble, you will still be mine. Oh, I'll hold you through the night. I'll love you for